Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP 100 training series, and thank you for choosing the K tutorials. So, in the last session, we have discussed the types of information models. So, there are three types of information models, as we have already discussed. One is analytical views, one is attribute views, and third is calculation views. In the last session, we have discussed about this attribute already. We have discussed about it and why I will make them red. If you will go and watch my previous sessions, you will go to know. So these two views are deprecated from SAP side now. Okay, so only the calculation views we are using nowadays. But for your information, for your knowledge, I'm telling you like because in some of your clients may be using these views, so that's why I'm telling this. Okay, so I told you package. So attribute view, I told you in the last session what it is. We have created one attribute view. Go and watch out my last session. Okay. So we and the last session also we have discussed about the type of joins. Okay. We have discussed the text join. There's one more important question I told you, which is what is the difference between referential and inner join. So inner referential join, you can say if we are fetching the data from two tables. Okay. But if we have in select query, it will fetch the data based on select query referential join, and inner join you can see it will fetch the data based on the join condition. Is this clear, guys? So now let's move to the analytical view. So what is this analytical view? Analytic view is based on star schema model. Star schema I shown you in the previous session also. Okay, what is this? My star schema. Here you can see used to join two star cases on there. These joins can be also using. We will use this also in our calculation view. Okay, so it is presents OLAP multi-dimensional modeling objects. Analytical view forms a cube like so it will make a cube like structure which is used for the analysis of data. So through which we can analyze our data. Analytical view is mainly used in a scenario where we need aggregated data from the underlying table. From where we want to find out some aggregated data, we can also use our analytical view over there. In SAP HANA analytical view, dimension tables are joined with the fact table. So here dimension tables will be joined with the fact table that contains our transaction data. Fact table which will contains our transaction data. So a dimension table contains this descriptive data. For example, product name, product vendor, customer, etc. It will so dimension table will contain the details about the product. So fact table contains both descriptive data and measurable data. For example, amount, text, etc. So so today we will take some previous table which we were using previously, VBAK and VBAP. Okay, and okay, I will let's log in me to the system, then there we will discuss. Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah, guys, let's start. Yeah, so let me log into the HANA Works studio. Let's log in there. Just practice these views also, guys. Okay. It will be very informative for you. Okay, let me log in there. Okay, let's click on Systems tab. Go there. Log into the system. We are here on the third layer of the. Okay, so in content, what is content will contain? It will contain all the packages. Okay, so let me select something which the package you get. Yeah, HANA development. Okay. Oh, someone has created this. Okay, so let's click on right click there. Click on. Okay, so what is that? And one more thing which I forgot it. So inside this analytical view, we can use which view? Our attribute view also. Okay. So let's create one attribute again today. Next right click, new. Okay. Attribute view Mara MAKT. Okay. Click on finish. Here you can see what we were doing previously. Just right click on plus symbol, add Mara table here. Okay, Mara table here. Click on OK. Then click on again plus symbol. As the MAKT table, you will find the description of material. Okay, copy with the condition. Okay, and Metnar to Metnar. Okay, right. Select this, make it as the inner join, or we can make it text join also. Okay, we can give the key as, where is my key? Language as my key. Okay, SPRS is my language. Click on OK. And one more thing, what was the prerequisite for this? What we need to do before creating this? We need to have one. Once again, click on semantics. We need, okay, just add something to the output. Array. Matna, area name, leave that, and it is at MTRT, and SPRS, and MAKTS, and MAKTU. Okay, so this is what we have done is, now what we will do is, we will make one field as a key, double click here, go down, you can see here key, select here as true. Okay, check this, you can say completed with warning, save check and activate this, cancel this, and then finally click on data preview. Okay, it will take some time. So here you can, if you will click on draw data, you can see the material number and make it the same. Okay, why English is there? Because we have selected the key as SPRS. Okay, we have made the text join. Okay, so if I will go there, we will consume this join in our in our analytical view, this attribute view. Okay, now let's go there and create our analytical view. Click on analytical view, sales, item, music. Okay, click on finish. Okay, so this is my analytical view. So here you can see there are three main words are there. One is data foundation, then star join. Okay, then first is semantics. Okay, what are these? Okay, so if I will tell you, I will go back to the, one second. I will go back there. See it again. Okay, so what is this semantics is? And the first we have seen the semantics. What is this semantics is? Okay, this semantics, this node represents the output structure of the view. Okay, what will this semantics will contain? It will display the output. How I am saying it? It will show us the output. Once again, the screen, go back. So here you can see the semantics will show the output here. Okay, which are the nodes we have selected to our output. It will show them. Okay, is clear, guys? So the second one is star join. What is this star join? Is you can say this node create a join. This will create a join in order to join the attribute view. Okay, with the fact table. Okay, and at the last you can see the data foundation. Here if you will go the back and I will show you, here you can see this is data foundation. What it will contain in this node, we will add the fact table for analytic view. Okay, also multiple views, tables can be added. Okay, so let's go back there. There you can see I will add something as let's add we can add like EPM data model tables also. Let's add now let's add something as VBAK. Okay, which is the table in there in EPM model. So that is SNWD underscore SO. Okay, select VBAK. Okay, select VBAK. This will contain the, okay, let's click, make the relation. What will be the relation here? The relation here will be 1 raised to n, exactly. Okay, why? Because one is our, again, yeah, but because one of them is our error table and another one is our item table. Okay, so what I will do is I will select this VBLN and select this MATLAB, functional, our network. Okay, active. Is this clear, guys? So if we can select more also, we can, let's select MATLAB already selected and let's select Wikipedia. Okay, so, okay. So let's go there. Click on plus symbol again. What we will do is look. This is our data foundation. What is this our data foundation? It has all our fields, output fields are there. In StarDoit, what I will do is I will match this with our attribute view which we have just created. Okay, attribute view Mara MAKT. Look guys, Mara MAKT is what I told you in the beginning. There can be same name, but okay, in different what is that, in different packages. Okay, so take care whichever is your. Okay, but here we have created with ZK. Okay, click on OK. So you can see it will fetch the output, whichever the output fields we have selected there, it will fetch them. What I will do is I will make a relation between them, select that, MATLAB. What I need is double click here. I will select the inner join, select the cardinality as 1 raised to 1. Click on OK. So is this clear, guys? So one more thing which I want to tell you here is, okay, is that we want one. We'll go there. So in analytic view, it's mandatory to mark at least one major key. Okay, but to at least mark one major, which is numeric. Okay, what is the data? What should be the data type of that? Field should be numeric. Okay, so if I will go back there, I will go. What I'm saying is, what was the mandatory thing in the attribute view? It was to make a field as a key. But here the mandatory part is to make a field as a measure. And what should be the data type of that measure? Obviously, it should be numeric data type. Okay. So if I will click on, okay, let's see what the error is. It is giving any error or not. 7. What it is saying is measure cannot be identified. Please specify the central table or a measure. So we have to specify a measure for this. Okay, I will double click here on the error. No measure defined in a reporting enabled view. What we need to is we need to declare one measure. Is this clear, guys? I click on OK. So for defining the measure, I will click on semantics. Okay, here you can see something known as type. So here we are having one field which is network. Okay, I will select this, select as a measure. Okay, we have the option as measure. I will click this. So this field has become the measure. We can select the aggregated function also, max, count, max, mean, sum, whatever you want to do is I'm leaving it as of now. Is this clear, guys? So what I will do is I will now again check this. That check no errors is there. Now check and activate. Completed successfully. What I will do is I will just display the output. Click on data preview. Okay, then click on pro data. So you can see it is fetching the data from both the analytical attribute view and from our fact tables also. Is this clear, guys? So this is what we want. Okay. So this is all about my analytical view. Okay, hope this is clear to everyone. So this is my analytical view, attribute view is done. Now in the next session, what we will see is we will see how can we create the our last view, which is our calculation view. Okay, it is more usable nowadays. So we will see more into this in our calculation view into our next session. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay. Okay, please go through to the previous sessions also. Okay, and try this in your HANA books. I think, yeah, that's all for this session, guys. In the next session. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.